I got halfway through it, but I couldn't get it on. So we got the bigger hammer with some issues. Remember, safety first. Guys, it wasn't as straightforward as what I thought. It's turned into a far bigger job. I got it halfway in, I bought the biggest spanner, but it wasn't doing me any good. So now I'm resorting to taking the entire control arm out and going down to see someone who's got a press to press it in. But in order to take the control arm out, you've got to mark the eccentrics on these and these, but this one won't come out without dropping the front radiator support cross member. We're nearly out, but not quite. So yeah, it's turning into a bigger job. At least we'll be able to have a look at the bushes in the control arm once we're finished. Getting big red, I reckon, for this. And voila, and there we have it. Looking at the bushes, they look all right. A lot of force goes through that one, but that one's tight. This one's got a bit of play, but we'll ask the expert what's going on with that. So yeah, that was a bit of a mission, but hopefully we'll get this job finished. Alright, thanks for tuning into part 1. Part 2, putting it all back together again without all thumbs bumming it up.